kaibigan. Jay, tara. Tikman natin yung ano. Oo, kasama ko kasi ngayon si Jay Arreola, batch 82 rin. Si Ariel Marundan, batch 82. Si Larry Mariano, batch 80 in the camera. Si John Vicente is batch 85. Also inside na. So, ngayon papasok na kami dito sa place. Actually, nakita nyo na kanina, pero ngayon ito naman yung siya na papasok. So, ayan. Ayan. Hello po. Ayan. So, nandito po tayo. Makikita nyo po yung ating setting ng ayan. So, ayan, yan. Paki-share naman sa amin, Hil, ano ba itong nakikita natin ngayon?
Sir, this is our bestseller po, called Fully Loaded. So, supreme yung size niya. It's 1/3 pound patty together with our TLC, tomato, lettuce, and cucumber, cheese, bacon, and barbecue sauce. So, ito na po yung all-in product natin from Barney's Burger. And with the thick cut fries po.
Mga drinks natin. May drinks ba tayo?
Yes sir, actually sir, ano lang, Coke products lang, Coke in can, Minute Maid, yun lang po yung mga drinks. Wala nating owned by Barney's po yung drinks and Coke products lang po yung in-offer natin.
Okay. So, Jay, Ariel, natin. Tikman natin yung, ayan. Tikman natin yung, ayan. Si Jay Arreola po. Ayan. Hil, tara. Ayan.
Burger eating contest.
Oh, burger.
Burger eating contest, pabilisan.
Habang nandito tayo, Jay, tara, tikman natin. Oo. Hil, gusto mo, ikaw muna mag-MC ngayon.
Sige po, hawakan ko po muna.
MC ka.
Sige po. Sige po, take the first bite po.
John Vicente. John Vicente is batch 85. Ayan.
So yun po, for the condiments po, we have our own hot sauce and yun, ketchup available po and mayonnaise and mustard. Antayin lang po natin yung comment nila regarding our product po. Opo. As you can notice po, no, medyo tender po yung ating patty, di ba? Juicy po. Hot sauce. Sir, kamusta po yung fries? Kamusta po yung fries natin?
Okay siya. Okay siya.
Mustard.
Mustard.
Gusto ko yan. Hindi kayo tipid sa mustard. Burgers good with mustard.
Nandito po ako sa kalagitnaan ng battlefield. Oh.
Sarap. Okay.
Ano na, finger licking good?
Diba? Iba yun eh.
Hindi, nakita. Ayan. Ariel, kamusta ang frontline dyan?
Ang sarap. Okay. Pangbida eh.
Hill, alinga. Ayan. Dito nga. Ayan, sige, sige. So, ito na. No, we are here now. We are currently tasting yung ano. Ako, I tasted it and I say, I like it. I like it. Hindi ako marunong sa food, ano talaga, but I like it. I like it. And I would like to invite everyone, no, to come and dine dito sa Barney's Burger. 3 weeks pa lang po ito, but maganda siguro na kayo na mauna na makatikim dito and share the taste of Barney's. Ayan. One final invitation siguro para sa ating viewers.
Yun po, again, I'd like to invite you all to experience the difference here in Barney's Burger. I'm sure that you will not regret the experience with us. And then, have a bite po nung ating burger, the fully loaded Supreme, which is our best seller.
So, with Larry Mariano sa ating camera, Ariel Marundan, who's handling our cable, Jay Ariala, who's also assisting us, with John Vicente, and of course with Hill, Jude Flores, Maris batch of 2005. This is Rom Kumagun, signing off for now. Have a nice day, everyone.